Hello everyone, welcome to Military Pro. The AC-130J is a highly modified C-130J aircraft that contains many advanced features. It contains an advanced two-pilot flight station with fully integrated digital avionics. The aircraft is capable of extremely accurate navigation due to the fully integrated navigation systems with dual inertial navigation systems and global positioning system. Mission: the AC-130J Ghostrider's primary missions are close air support, air interdiction, and armed reconnaissance. Close air support missions include troops in contact, convoy escort, and point air defense. Air interdiction missions are conducted against pre-planned targets or targets of opportunity and include strike coordination and reconnaissance and overwatch mission sets. The AC-130J provides ground forces an expeditionary, direct fire platform that is persistent, ideally suited for urban operations, and delivers precision low-yield munitions against ground targets. Features: the AC-130J is a highly modified C-130J aircraft that contains many advanced features. It contains an advanced two-pilot flight station with fully integrated digital avionics. The aircraft is capable of extremely accurate navigation due to the fully integrated navigation systems with dual inertial navigation systems and global positioning system. Aircraft defensive systems and color weather radar are integrated as well. The aircraft is capable of air refueling with the Universal Air Refueling Receptacle Slipway Installation System. Additionally, the AC-130J is modified with the Precision Strike Package, which includes a mission management console, robust communications suite, 2 electro-optical, infrared sensors, advanced fire control equipment, precision-guided munitions delivery capability, as well as trainable 30mm and 105mm weapons. The mission management system fuses sensor, communication, environment, order of battle, and threat information into a common operating picture. Background: the AC-130J is the 5th-generation gunship replacing the aging fleet of AC-130U divided by W gunships. AC-130 gunships have an extensive combat history dating back to Vietnam, where gunships destroyed more than 10,000 trucks and were credited with many life-saving close air support missions. Over the past 4 decades, AC-132s have deployed constantly to hotspots throughout the world in support of special operations and conventional forces. In South America, Africa, Europe, and throughout the Middle East, gunships have significantly contributed to mission success. The AC-130J aircraft was officially named Ghostrider in May 2012. The first AC-130J aircraft completed developmental test and evaluation in June 2015. Initial operational capacity was reached in 2017. Full operational capability is forecast for FY25. The first AC-130J squadron, the 73rd Special Operations Squadron, was activated at Hurlburt Field, Florida, Feb. 23, 2018. The last AC-130J delivery is scheduled for fiscal year 2024. General characteristics: primary function, close air support and air interdiction with associated collateral missions. Contractor, Lockheed Martin. Power plant, 4 Rolls-Royce AE2100D3 turboprops. Thrust, 4,700 shaft horsepower per engine. Speed, 362 knots. Ceiling, 28 feet. Maximum takeoff weight, 164,000 pounds. Range, 3,000 miles. Limited by crew duty day with air refueling. Wingspan, 132 feet 7 inches. Length, 97 feet 9 inches. Height, 39 feet 2 inches. Crew, 2 pilots, 1 combat systems officers, 1 weapon system operator, 1 sensor operator, and 4 special mission aviators. Armament: precision strike package with 30mm and 105mm cannons and standoff precision-guided munitions. Date deployed: July 2019. Unit cost: $165 million. Inventory: active duty 37 by FY24.